Okay. Hello. You all know me obviously from my friend introducing me, Dr. Billy Rubin. A few weeks ago I met a guy named Dr. Lodge McCammon, actually Terry Houston and I met him. And he said to us in the whole group that we were in, life is too short. We really need to stop repeating ourselves. Why don't you go ahead and flip your classroom? Classroom engagement today is at the core of, well, actually not even just today, but always, it's at the core of student success. If you ask any adult who their favorite teacher was when they were growing up, you'll get a profile of a person that not only inspired learning in the classroom, but they pretty much became a legend in the mind of their students. But how can we teach somebody to be engaging? It's not an easy thing. We need ideas and tools that allow engagement to occur, creating super transparent classrooms that highlight exciting and authentic teacher and student work. Think about it. If you can engage and excite your students, suddenly you have a classroom full of students on the edge of their seats, some of them even out of their seats, but at least maybe it would be for the right reasons, willing to learn just about anything you're going to put out in front of them, and excited about what they're going to be creating next in your classroom. There's a new way of teaching that and taking it all into the 21st century, which obviously we're in, and we're a little behind the times here in the United States when it comes to this sort of thing. So, elements that people talk about and putting them into action are video recording, Web 2.0 tools, online publishing, interactive curriculum, and a lot of people say that those are that's the wave of the future. Really, it's the wave of right now. One of the things that we're going to talk about is what I'm doing with you right now, and that's flipping our classroom here today. You guys are going to do this in just a little bit, but we're going to talk about some other things along the way. But I would like to point out a couple of things here for you that you can do when you're flipping your classroom, or you'll save. Really, this amazed me when Dr. McCammon did this with the group of people that we have. So you're in the classroom, you're doing your thing before you get your direct lesson, your lecture in, and you have a block of time and you have so much information that you have to get in there. So if you flip your classroom, I think you're going to find this amazing. I find it pretty amazing myself. 75 minutes of lecture time, which is a long block, but you have 90-minute blocks in 6th grade, so it's a feasible time. 75 minutes a lecture. If you flip your classroom and you video record the content that you're going to be delivering to your classroom, you can get that down to 15 minutes. 75 to 15 minutes. 60 down to 10. 45 minutes down to 8. I'm going to come over here a little closer so I don't get confused. 30 minutes down to 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Those 10-minute lessons you start your math out with, 3 minutes. If you have a 5-minute lecture using the flipping method, you can get it down to 1 minute. Why do you want to do this? To me, it's obvious. And why it didn't hit the entire education world like a ton of bricks in the back of the head is beyond me. Think about it. 15 minutes out of 75, if you're lecturing for 15 minutes, you got an hour to engage the kids in hands-on activity, practicing what it is you just delivered to them via video. Why would you want to do it by video? Kids love TV. You say, let's go watch TV, or let's watch a movie, your kids flip out in your classroom. Put yourself on video. They'll pay attention to what you're doing. Try it. It works. Bye.